Are we gonna do a hair routine? Hi Curly Crew, it's Mary and welcome back to the Curly Closet. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So this video is going to be a very quick life update as well as what you are going to expect from my channel coming up. Before I start, forgive any traffic noise in the background. I live by quite a busy street. I have to have the window open. It's really hot in London right now and we just need some fresh air. If I look quite glowy, that's the reason why. For those of you who don't know, I became a mother 16 weeks ago, 4 months ago. So my baby boy, baby Zach, is now 4 months old. I can't quite believe it. But yeah, the last couple of months I have been taking time off just to get used to motherhood. Speaking of which, if you happen to hear any baby sounds in the background, baby is right here, but he's just chilling and sleeping, so hopefully he'll stay sleeping. What should you expect from my channel moving forward? So I want my channel to reflect what is really happening in my life right now. I am going to continue to make some natural hair content, but I think I'm going to start focusing more on protective styling. I don't have as much time on my hands now to be trying out products. I still am going to be trying out new products, but not to the same level. For example, a style like this with mini braids is something that I'll be doing from here going forward more often, just because my baby is he's only 4 months old. He needs time, he needs attention. I need to do some styles where I can just put my hair away, have it looking really nice and neat, wake up in the morning, get going. I did not film doing this style, but if you would like to see a video in them, let me know in the comment section below. My very next video will actually be a hair update, so stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed, hit the red subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. Also, when you hit the bell, if you tap all, you will get all notifications. Just the tip. I'm going to be focusing more on heat tools. I feel like I want to start blow drying / straightening my hair more often. Especially for me, it makes it easier to put my hair into protective styles anyway. So having some kind of heat tools, blow dryers, straighteners, straightening combs, that kind of thing. I want to try out more of those. Hopefully not give myself any kind of heat damage in the process. Yeah. My channel's name is of course the Curly Closet. The closet part of it was inviting you guys into a little bit more of the private space of my life. Your closet is kind of that place, like, you get dressed, you can kind of share girly secrets, you can talk about women's issues and stuff like that. I haven't been sharing as much of that as I wanted to in the last couple of years, and I would really like to make an effort to do more of that now moving forward. I still have a lot of content that I did actually film during my pregnancy, which still needs to be released. Nesting, getting ready for baby, having a baby over 40, my birthing experience. There was one rather large health challenge that my partner and I faced early on in our pregnancy journey. Would like to share about that in a dedicated video. I apologize for not having done this before I had my baby, but just my energy levels were so low towards the end of my pregnancy, but I did do my best to film as much as I could. So that's something I'm really excited to bring to you guys. Since I've been on maternity leave and looking after baby, I've gotten very much into decluttering, tidying up our space, getting rid of junk, organisation. I don't live in like one of these really like glam influencer houses. I live in a rented property, so there's only so much I can do with the actual structure, but that doesn't mean that I can't declutter as much as possible. I'd really love to bring you guys more content on like organize with me, declutter with me, that kind of thing. Of course, there are also going to be videos on baby Zach, his growth and development, the things that he's learned to do, kind of just tracking his progress and how well he's doing. So far I can say he's doing beautifully well. Like, I feel so blessed every day to have him as my baby, honestly. Luke is woken up from his nap. Hi Bobby. Bobby doing okay? Yeah, he's got a bit of bedhead right now. He was sleeping, so yeah. Yes. If you want to see a hair routine for him, you can see this is his hair with a bit of fluff in right now. I don't really have a complicated hair routine for him right now, but we do obviously try to take care of it the best that we can. Let me know if you want to see a hair routine and we'll take it from there. Are we gonna do a hair routine? Your beautiful hair. Your beautiful hair. If you're wondering why you can't see his face, I'm not fully comfortable sharing him with the world yet, and I'm not sure how to feel about his identity being all over the World Wide Web, but I will be sharing the most that I can of his progress without revealing his identity to the whole world. Yeah, I'm going to be sharing some of my life as a new mom as well. So yeah, if you're interested in mom life, then definitely stay tuned for that. How my life has changed basically in the past year, pretty much since the beginning of 2020. I became a trainee software engineer. I passed my coding boot camp, I met my partner, I got pregnant, I moved house, like all of these things happened. And I did say that I wanted to share kind of the story of how I met my partner. It's kind of been very quick, but not too quick at the same time. How I became a software engineer, how I got into the tech space. Black women in tech is a big thing for me, so I'd love to share more of my journey around that with you. It feels so good to be coming back to filming. If there's anything else that you would like to see from me, comment in the comment section below. Wishing you health, happiness and beautiful hair. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye.